Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic Desi Achar right in your own kitchen. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, like crisp green mangoes or a vibrant mix of vegetables. Then, we'll gather our aromatic spices, including whole mustard seeds, fenugreek, and a generous amount of red chili powder, ensuring a perfect balance of flavor and heat for your homemade pickle. Get ready to create something truly special. First, ensure your chosen ingredients are perfectly clean and completely dry. Any moisture can spoil the achar. Next, carefully cut them into uniform pieces, typically around 1 inch to 2 inches, depending on your preference. Then, lightly salt these pieces and let them rest for several hours. This crucial step helps draw out excess water, which is vital for a long-lasting and flavorful pickle. Patience here pays off. Now, let's create that signature achar flavor. Gently roast your whole spices, such as mustard, fenugreek, and fennel seeds, then grind them coarsely. Combine these with turmeric, red chili powder, and a pinch of asafoetida. Next, heat your mustard oil until it just begins to smoke, then let it cool completely. This process mellows the oil's pungency, making it perfect for infusing your achar with rich, deep flavors. Mix everything thoroughly. Finally, transfer your freshly made achar into clean, sterilized glass jars, ensuring they are completely dry. Seal them tightly and place them in direct sunlight for about 7 to 10 days. This curing process is essential for the flavors to meld beautifully and for the achar to develop its characteristic tang. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade Desi Achar with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.